Hello guys, welcome back. Another day here in Bangkok. Today's video is about apartment touring because a lot of people said, hey, we want to see how the apartments look like here in Bangkok and Thailand and how much people pay. I have a friend of mine that I've met here in Thailand, Bangkok, and he's kind enough to let me in and show me the apartment, and we're gonna go check it out. And please make sure you leave comment, let me know, is it worth it? Because I do these type of videos whenever I travel. I did it in Kenya, and I'm gonna do it everywhere that I go. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna show you the apartment, we're gonna show you the amenities, if it has a pool, if it has a gym, all of it. So let's go. See, the outside is beautiful, so that should let you know that this apartment is about to be banging. Let's go. This is the entrance, you know, the lobby, if you want to wait, whoever you want to wait, your friends, this is where you're going to wait and then come in. It's beautiful. Every lobby should have a space where people can check it out, you know. I love it.
Hey everyone, my name is Isaac. Today I'm gonna tag along with Marianne and I'm gonna give you a tour of my home.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's go. So it has you have to use your thumb to get in.
Very much.
Basically. So that basically answers our question for safety. You can't just enter without your...
Yeah, it has a pass where you need it. Everyone that lives here,
right,
you know, owns one.
So not everyone can just enter. I love that.
Very much.
Nice, nice. I love it. I love the lobby as well.
Yeah, the lobby. It has an area you can grab a convenient drink or whatever.
Right.
Coffee.
7-Eleven everywhere.
It's not a 7-Eleven though.
Right. It's within the apartment.
Yeah,
okay,
it's within.
Okay. Nice, nice. All right. How many floors is it like?
It has about 37 floors.
Okay. Okay.
We are going to
33. That's really high.
Yeah. I love the rooftop.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah, it makes you see everyone like
it's very
like
tiny. As you're like basically on a plane, you know, when you're on a plane and you look down, it's like everybody's like a ant, you know, like.
Right.
Nice, nice. How long you been living in this apartment?
About a year.
About a year. Okay. So I guess you love it because a year is a long time, right?
Yeah. I mean, yeah. When your time is up, you just want to renew, you know, and then stay in it more.
Do you see yourself living here longer?
Yeah, I mean...
the city here, like this area?
Yes, this area is the best because it's the center of
everything.
Of the city.
Okay, perfect. So
it has easy access to almost everywhere.
Okay,
so.
Perfect. I love that. All right, guys, we are here.
Okay, so we're now at the apartment. And I'm gonna take you a tour.
Give a tour.
Give you a tour, a little through the apartment.
Nice.
Yeah, very automated. So, this is the living area.
All right.
Okay, so these apartments, they come with furnished. You know,
it's furnished, everything.
It's furnished, yes.
Yeah.
Everything is furnished. We have a study area, a working area.
Right.
There's the dining area.
So this is one bedroom.
This is one bedroom, yes.
Okay.
This is the living area.
Okay. You got your couch.
Exactly.
You got your TV.
Yeah, not
much.
It's
a nice setup, you know?
Thanks. Then there goes the
bedroom.
The bedroom.
Nice. Does it have a bathroom?
Of course.
Master.
To your to your right.
Okay. Can we see that? How big
Sure,
it is?
sure. You can see the bathroom.
Very, very big and spacious. I love it. Nice. Looks like this house has a nice view.
Yeah.
Very spacious.
It has a very beautiful view.
Wow. Wow. Look at that.
Yeah.
Hey.
bad.
So, one. Okay, and this is your study area. Nice.
Yeah.
That's amazing. More views. So you get a very good sunlight, right?
Very much, very much, very much. Then you can check out the
kitchen.
kitchen.
Okay. It's, yeah, I mean, it doesn't have to be big, but at least it's enough space to walk
Yes,
back
it's
and
very
forth.
much okay. You're
And
right.
you got your washing machine here.
Yes, comes with the house.
Okay, that's good. So you don't really have to go outside to do your cleaning. I like the space, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Not
nice.
bad for like a single person.
Yeah,
or
for a single
couple.
person or a couple.
Yeah.
So
It's quite cool.
now the big question:
Uh-huh.
how much is this house a rent? It would cost for a single person living in Bangkok.
It goes for about 15,000.
Baht.
15,000 baht.
Okay.
Yes, Thai baht.
Yeah,
Yes.
which is around $400.
That's right. That's right. I think for a place like this, it's reasonable.
Okay, it's
Yeah,
worth it.
It's worth it. Yeah.
Okay, so it comes with a lot of amenities, right? A lot of things that you need as a person.
Right. They have a pool area. Where we're gonna check it out.
Right.
We have a gym. Yeah, it has a jurisdiction where if you have deliveries or you have problems, you can just go to, and it's gonna be solved.
So when you order something, people leave it downstairs and then you pick it up.
Yeah, that's the jurisdiction office
Okay.
downstairs. Yeah.
What about the mail? You get the mail also downstairs.
So yeah, it has a mailbox where the
your
ski
key
controls.
comes. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
I will show you.
Okay. Wow. So do you think that because you are in a business district, do you think there's other places that you can pay $400 a month, but it's more bigger and spacious?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely the area influences the price.
Yes,
and,
obviously. Yeah, this
yes.
is the Rama 9, so it makes sense, you know.
Yes, it's the center of the city, so
Yeah.
it has access to everywhere.
The trains, everything. At night, you guys also have a nice where I will shoot a video hopefully tonight.
Right.
A nice market down where
Yeah.
food and
Yeah.
it's amazing.
Yeah. Has access to everywhere.
Nice.
Basically, is how I put it. So yeah, it's
All
good.
right. So let's go check out the
Hey.
the pool area, the gym area.
Let's do that.
Thank you for showing us your home.
You're welcome.
By the way, it's good to get a perspective from, it's good to meet foreigners who are living here and how much they pay, and
Right.
it actually makes, especially someone else who's trying to come and live here, it will give them ideas, It's reasonable price for that much. And do you think that's somewhere that you would live, or would you try to go outside of the big business area? Let me know in the comment section. All right. Even the elevator is big.
Yeah.
This is a very big spacious. So the pool and the gym, they are upstairs.
The pool and the gym. We went
Down,
downstairs.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Okay, so
Wow.
this area leads to the gym.
Right.
And
There's a locker room
let's
here.
go.
So you actually, wow. So you still in the building, but you get a nice outside view before you walk into the gym. Thank you.
So this is our beautiful gym.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
And you can do all your workouts,
It has
your
everything you need.
stretches, your shoulders, your
Right.
backs.
Free weights.
Yeah.
Wow, this is,
Quite spacious as well.
yeah, it is. It looks very big actually. Look, let me show you guys. It's very big. How often do you work out?
Hey, I did that this morning.
Yeah, you look like you work out every day.
Yeah.
Nice. So this is, we would say, a plus then for
Yeah.
the apartment.
Right.
Do you think
So-
most of the apartments have gym and pools, especially around this area?
The condos.
The condos, okay.
Yeah, the condos do. But it varies, you know, if you're paying some like 15,000,
Right.
10,000,
Right.
your gym should look good.
Okay. Okay.
But if it's below, it's a manageable one.
Right, right, right. But it's very beautiful, I must say.
Thank you.
I just love how we walked from here and then you can see outside. I just love that.
Right, and then and with here, if you want to use the pool, which
Right.
is just over there,
You just go
You
down.
don't, yeah, you,
You don't
don't need
even
to
have
use
to.
the
Right.
elevator.
Wow, this is even nicer.
So as it says, please take off
Please
your shoes.
take out your
or-
shoes. Okay.
Yeah, so if you have your shoes on
You
or
have to
whatever,
leave it.
you have to leave it. Well, it's not shoes we're wearing, right?
Right, right. Wow. This is
Yeah.
beautiful, man.
So you can take a shower over there
Right. And before you enter.
before you go in.
This is really beautiful. Wow. And I don't know, like, you know, for me, I usually imagine living, like when I'm telling people about some place, I imagine myself, would I live here, you know?
Yeah.
And this is definitely somewhere I would see myself living.
Right.
Especially if I was to live in Bangkok.
Right.
Because having the gym is a plus and a pool.
Right.
Because you're keeping yourself healthy and you know. And one thing I realized is in Bangkok, I think probably all Thailand, people walk a lot.
Right.
Like in America, I might not finish 10,000 steps a day, but now I'm reaching 15,000 steps a day. Like it's so easy,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
So, are you a good swimmer?
I do my best.
Decent. Decent.
Hey, I do my best. I
But
would
this
try.
one looks like it's not deep, so I think
Yeah.
anyone can survive here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can, but well, water is always water, right?
Yeah, but at least I think you're more of a gym person than a pool person.
I would say,
Yeah.
I would say that. I would say
Wow, wow. This is really beautiful, man. I love this.
that. Even the washroom is like crazy nice.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You check it out.
Let's see this.
And this side is also for like the kids.
Okay, the kids section.
Yeah.
And if
You can check out the women's side.
okay. And if you wanna use this, you can use this.
Yeah.
The
Definitely.
like the goggles and
Yeah.
okay.
For beginners,
Yeah,
whatever.
people who are uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see the toilets, the washroom. Wow. It's very beautiful. It's big too. Hey. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I would. It's very spacious, and I think people probably take advantage on the weekend because most of the days they're working, right? Busy.
Right. It's a weekday.
Right,
so
right.
They're working.
Right. So guys, I mean, a lot of you in the comments were telling me, please show us the apartments here, how much it is. This is literally one. If I walk around, most of the other apartments are probably the same or higher. There's a couple of apartments that I'm told it's like at least 30,000 baht,
Yeah.
which I'm assuming it's like 800 up to $1,000 a
Right.
month. So it depends on you and your budget, but this is it. And I think it's expected of everybody when you're renting in Bangkok, especially a condo, apartment, that you look for, you know, like ones that have pool and gym. That's a must. And I think all of them probably have it now because
Right.
everybody wants to rent a place that has a gym and a pool and, you know, a good system.
Right.
So
it has a like a view area, a viewpoint.
right.
Yeah,
Okay.
Let me take you there.
Let's see. The tour is not ending. I love it.
I'm sorry, you have to do like 2
No,
floors.
it's okay. Wow. This is the
It
viewpoint.
has a little work area.
Okay. This is a work area.
Yes.
Basically playroom as well.
Yeah. So it says open early. You can
study or do some work, some editing.
Yeah. So you got wife,
Wow.
kids, girlfriend.
Wow.
Can just hang out here in the evening.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. This is really beautiful. Hey! Look at that. So, I think we want to thank Isaac because I know that not many people are willing to open their homes for you. So shout out to Isaac. As you can see, you've seen the pool, you've seen the chilling area, the playroom, the shower, the gym, all of it. $400 a month, 15,000 baht. Is it worth it? Let me know in the comment section. I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let me know what you think. Thank you guys. Peace.